This video training series is brought to you by Friday People, the National Lottery Community Fund and Proud Business Productions. David Proud, and I've been running my own video production company for nearly 10 years now, learning all sorts of things about video production. And the idea behind these videos is I'm going to give you some fundamental techniques and ideas that will make your videos look better than the standard person that gets their phone or their camera out of their pocket and starts shooting. So these are broken up into 5 main lessons or concepts. The first one is lighting. Why is lighting important? How to spot bad lighting and good lighting, and how to make a free light setup for a nice interview look. Next we'll look at framing, camera height and stabilization. So this is how to use all these different elements, where to put things in the picture to help tell your story and how to give a different emotional feel to your video. Lesson 3 is a quick one, and that is on sound, why it's important to get the sound right in your video and how to improve the quality of your sound. Lesson 4 is B-roll, which B-roll is the extra bits of footage that you put over the top of a main interview to help tell your story. So I'll go through how to get creative and shoot better B-roll yourselves. And finally, we put it all together with editing at the end. So I'm going to show you how to use a free piece of editing software so that you can put your main interview down, edit it up, put all your B-roll on top, add music and maybe add a few graphics and things like that, so you take it from being a raw video clip to a finished edited video. So before we get started on the main lessons, I just wanted to quickly say why video is important. Well, first of all, we are all storytellers. We learn through storytelling, and video is one of the best ways to tell stories. And actually, as humans, we take in 55% of information through body language. So you could write a story and people will imagine it in their minds, but if you can actually get in front of the camera and tell a story, then you're going to be portraying a lot more emotion through your body language. So video is a really powerful tool for you to use. So let's get started and talk a little bit about lighting.